Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Rafi Farhan and my student ID number is 06101182328004. Today I would like to retell Facet 3. Facet 3 is about Tyrannosaurus Rex, one of the most famous dinosaurs in history. Many people think that Tyrannosaurus Rex was the fastest and most dangerous predator. However, recent research shows that this idea is not completely true. Scientists found the Tyrannosaurus Rex was actually a large and heavy dinosaur. It could run at about 25 to 40 kilometers per hour, which is much slower than a cheetah because of its heavy body and long tail. It could not then turn quickly and had to move carefully to avoid falling. Researchers used computer model, biomechanical calculation, and fossil measurement to study its speed, weight, and movement. They estimated that Tyrannosaurus rex weighed between 6 and 8 tons. Even though it was not the fastest dinosaur, it was still a dangerous predator because the animal it hunted were also slow and not very agile. The passage also mentioned that an Olympic sprinter runs at about the 35 kilometers per hour, which means a person would probably not be able to outrun a Tyrannosaurus rex. In conclusion, this passage explains that Tyrannosaurus rex was powerful and dangerous, but it was not as fast as many people have imagined. Thank you for attention. Have a nice day.